We now studying about construction 6.2, construction of a similar triangle when denominator is more than numerator, and second case when numerator is more than denominator. Let us see the first case we studying about when denominator is more than numerator. For this example I took from exercise 6.1, second one question. See question what gave up. Construct a triangle of sides 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and then a triangle similar to it whose sides are 2 by 3 of the corresponding sides of first triangle. Here first triangle already gave up. That given triangle sides are 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm, and given ratio what is C? 2 by 3. Here important thing page 2 by 3 ratio. Here denominator what is there? 3 and numerator is the 2. When a denominator is more than numerator, then how do we construction do we now we studying here. Now start to construction. Step 1. Given sides of triangle observed here 4 cm, 5 cm and 6 cm. Which is a larger side? 6 cm. So first one line segment draw which have a 6 cm one line segment. So first we drawing here 6 cm one line segment B. Now we are drawing here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here 6 cm one of the side. Here we drawn that name we now giving here BC. Here name of the triangle not given, so we can take any names of these sides. First side we took here BC which have a 6 cm. Now take a compass. In that compass take a second largest side 5 cm from your major scale. I taking here 5 cm from major scale in a compass. Here 0 to middle of this compass we put that 0, and here 3, 4 and 5 cm distance to in a compass from our major scale, and needle of this compass put on a point B and one arc drawn upside this like one arc drawn. Now third step again one time take a third side length what give 4 cm. Take a 4 cm distance from your major scale in a compass. Here see I taking here 4 cm distance from major scale in a compass. Now 4 cm distance took. Now needle of this compass put on a point C, again one arc draw. When we drawn these two arcs intersecting at each other, that point name give A. Now fourth step what do? Join this intersecting point B and C. If you join means here we getting given triangle ABC which is a given triangle ABC is there. Here AB value how much took? 5 cm, and AC value how much is there? 4 cm, which is a given triangle. For this given triangle we want to draw another similar triangle. One note here, if denominator is more than numerator, then obtaining similar triangle will getting inside the given triangle. So now see, take a major scale and draw one ray which have any length which is passes through B, and what do this ray for give a name BX, and on this BX take equal points. How much is there? See 2 by 3 is there. Here which is a bigger number? 3. That much distance take on that much equal points take on BX. So here we now taking here 1 cm distance taking. See this 1, 2 and 3. The 3 equal points we took. Similarly what do these points name give that? B, B1, B2 and B3. Here names we put here. Now what do this B3 and C join? B3 and C join. This is a step number 6. B3 and C join. Now again one time take a compass In that compass, take any some distance. I took this much distance in a compass. Needle of this compass put on a point B3 and one arc draw. This like one arc draw. One arc draw. Same. Now given ratio C 2/3 is there. Numerator side which number gave 2. Now needle of this compass put on a point B2 and again one arc draw which have a same distance we took in a previous step. Now this first arc where we are intersecting, that much intersecting distance take in a compass. So this much we getting that. Now needle of this compass put on a point here and again one arc draw. This like we getting, this we increasing. Here we increasing this C. Here intersecting point getting. Now what do B2 and this intersecting point through passing one parallel line draw for B3 and C. If we draw on means we getting one parallel line, and this parallel line we are intersecting BC, that point name give a C dash, which is a new point got a, that name give a C dash. Here what we procedure did a same procedure upside do. Now again one time, some distance taken a compass, needle of this compass put on a point C and one arc draw. This like same new point C dash got a, there one needle of this compass put a, again one time, again one arc draw. This like okay. Now this intersecting arcs distance taken a compass, this much we distance took in a compass, and needle of this compass here one intersecting point on that put up, again one arc draw. If we draw means we this like intersecting arcs getting, this intersecting arc through and a C dash point through passing one parallel line draw which is a parallel to this AC. If we draw means this new parallel line intersecting AB at point A dash. So here if we need to observe means in a given triangle ABC, in that inside again one triangle got A dash B C dash, which is a required similar triangle for given triangle. This is a required construction for this like questions. I will provide you these like questions for you homework. You do that. Thank you for watching. And one thing, this right here given triangle ABC, for this we similar drawn triangle A dash B C dash, this one right beside. Thank you for watching.